Alright guys, I'm back with another food review. This time it's chips cheese doner for Madras Plus in Belfield, Kilmarnock, Scotland. As you can see, the doner here is so thinly cut. Perfect, that's what you want. It's what you want. Let's give it a wee taste first. The doner just on its own. Now that's some top quality doner. Madras Plus never fails to make a very flavourful doner meat. Let's have it with some chips and cheese. Here we go. Didn't get much cheese on it. Tastes amazing. So flavourful. Exactly what you want for your dinner. I highly recommend Madras Plus takeaway.